Workout 45, part 2. So, this is going to be high intensity interval training. So you're going to do 4 rounds of this, and we're going to follow the interval 2 minutes on, 30 seconds off. And you have 3 2-minute AMRAPs. So the first one, you're going to do 2 minutes, as many rounds as possible, of 3 slam balls with 3 dumbbell man makers. So make sure you have a pair of dumbbells and your ball. So your 3 slam balls, make sure you straddle the ball, pick it up with your legs, not with your back, so drop your hips and keep your chest up nice and high. Drive up through your hips, pull it above your head and slam it aggressively, bringing your ass down with you. Don't bring it up and just drop it. Get really angry and slam that shit. Once you've done 3, pick up your dumbbells. We're going to start with that squatting position right in between your legs. Squat down to put them down. Shoot your feet back. We've done these before. 1 push-up, 1 roll on the right, keeping your shoulders and hips square. 1 push-up, 1 roll on the left. Land with your feet on the outside of your dumbbells. Stand up again. Complete 1 bicep curl, 1 push press, and right back down again. You're going to keep going for 3. As many rounds as possible, keep a nice steady pace. Then your rest is 30 seconds. Second AMRAP. As many rounds as possible. 3 sprinter burpees. So, chest comes down to the ground all the way. Make sure you land on flat feet. Split your feet in the front. Front knee towards your face, back heel towards your butt. Alternating legs every time. Then you're going to go for 3 dumbbell crushes. So, big proud chest. Hips go all the way back and down. Come down into an active squat. Complete 1 bicep curl. Stand up entirely. Then complete 1 press. Bring them together. 1 tricep extension. And bring it back down. Compound movement. A bunch of movements together. So again, squat, curl, stand up, press, bring them together, tricep extension, and reset. So you've got 3 of those. Then the last one is a 2-minute AMRAP of 3 reverse burpees. You're going to sit down, you can go into a shoulder stand, stand up, jumping flat. If it's too much with you and your mobility isn't quite there yet, grab a dumbbell, sit down, and then put the dumbbell in front of you to help you stand up for assistance on the way up. And then you have 3 dumbbell clean and jerks, heavy. So remember this, we're not going to swing. We're going to pull our shoulders back, dip our hips, shrug or rotate and press above your head. Again, shrug, rotate, press above your head, avoiding the swinging. As many rounds as possible, then 30-second rest, 4 sets total. Good luck.